Buying and using SVG files in your chosen software is super easy. Whether you use a PC or Mac, the process is very straightforward. This video will show you the simple steps to purchase, download, and open your SVG files. Simply add the design or bundle to your cart you wish to purchase. Go through our easy checkout process. Click Download Files and wait for the download to finish. Once the zip has downloaded, it can be unzipped by right-clicking and choosing Extract or Open, leaving you with a folder of files. Now you're ready to use your brand new SVG files. Open your chosen craft software such as Cricut Design Space, Silhouette Studio, Scan and Cut, or Sure Cuts a Lot. The process is also the same for Adobe software. Click Open, Upload, or Import and choose the SVG file you wish to use. It's as easy as that. Depending on your software, you may wish to use the Ungroup function to edit and change aspects of the design. Don't forget, we offer full technical support should you ever need it. Simply contact us using the Email Us button.